So, Zach, nice
Talk
to
to
meet
you or the camera?
Either, I guess.
All right. Talk to you.
Me, yeah. It's
Yeah.
pretty a bit simpler. But first of all, welcome to Lisbon. You came from San Francisco.
Yep.
So, what do you think of Lisbon so far?
I love it. Been here many times. One of my favorite cities in the world. It's
Really?
awesome. Yeah.
So, tell us more about what you're doing, what you want to achieve.
Yeah, I'm an early stage B2B software investor. Been doing this about 10 years. Currently manage about 100 million in capital that I'm deploying, and then I've deployed about that much over that period of time. Run around and look for great companies, help them out, give them some money, pray for them, pray some more. Part of the journey.
Awesome. So you must be exposed to a lot of trends and a lot of new ideas, especially working in San Francisco.
Yeah.
Are there any particular trends that excite you a lot?
I mean, obviously right now it's AI. I mean, it's, we're seeing across my portfolio just tremendous gains in product improvements in terms of outcomes that are happening as a result of leveraging the advances that have happened in AI over the last couple of years. And then the new companies that I look at, similar things. It's pretty exciting. I mean, we were definitely a few years ago, things were feeling pretty stale and pretty long in the tooth. There was like really significant declining advantages, and now it's the opposite. Things are racing again.
Yeah. So obviously AI is the hot word. Have you got any words of wisdom as someone who knows a lot about investing in AI? Have you got any kind of words of wisdom about that? Because obviously it's a huge hype, right? But is there any way to get beyond the hype, in your opinion?
I mean, I think you can drill in on very particular segments and subsegments, and you can start to see what's actually happening. So, for instance, we just sold a company called 10x to Salesforce. So 10x was creating AI voice agents, and we had invested in another company before that called Apprente that McDonald's bought using AI for voice agents. And so that time in market with that company, both of those companies, has really sort of enabled me to become much more educated on the space. And now when I talk to founders in that space, it's not about hype. It's really about let's talk about benchmarks. Let's talk about execution strategies. Let's talk about differentiation. And you can really move beyond the hype. And once you get that in any of the little subsegments, you can pretty quickly start to suss out what's real and what's not. Because, the good thing about hype is that bullshit doesn't go very far. So they use a lot of buzzwords, and then as soon as you start asking specific questions, it all falls apart.
Interesting. So we had crypto, we had AI. I'm asking everyone this. What's next, do you think? What's the next big thing?
I have no idea. That's the great thing about my job is that my job is not to dream up the future. It's just to listen when the entrepreneurs come tell me about it, and hopefully be smart enough to believe them.
Interesting. So what kind of people are you looking to meet? Are you looking to meet other founders or investors?
Yeah, my job is to invest in great new founders. So I come to these conferences to make new friends and hang out with the people that I've known all these years, and then hopefully when they find a great founder, they send them to me. It's just the great thing about being an early stage seed investor is you don't get to pick your shots. You just wander around, and every now and then you find something exciting, and hopefully you're smart enough to recognize it.
And B2B, SaaS?
B2B software, yeah.
Software, okay.
Yeah.
And no particular specialization within that, just B2B
No,
software?
it's very broad. Companies you know, Mercury the bank, Hellosign digital signatures, Fireflies the AI note-taking tool, Cruise a self-driving car company. I mean, I'm all over the place.
Awesome. Well, I know you're a busy guy, so I'll let you get back to the event, but thanks so much for your time.
Thank you.
Awesome, thank you.